Y'all remember this moment, the death of Gojo, the scene that broke the entire fandom. But hold up, what if we could rewind time? What if I told you there's a timeline where Gojo never got sliced, never bled out, and instead, he's still standing here looking cooler than ever? Let's rewind time. No slicing, no blood, just pure untouchable Gojo energy. His eyes still glowing, his aura still overflowing, and he's about to unleash hollow purple on anyone who dares to step up.
It's a long time no see.
And that's exactly what I'm bringing to life today with a whole lot of purple energy. Let's get it. First things first, I needed a pose that screams dominance. No sad Gojo, no tired Gojo. We're going full power like I just came back from the afterlife and now I'm about to wreck everyone. And boom, the finger pose. That classic shh moment, but not in a quiet, sneaky way. More like, shut up, I'm about to end this fight. It's deadly. It's effortless. It's Gojo. Now the face, oh man, this was the tricky part. His eyes, they had to be sharp, intense, full of absolute confidence. Not just any stare, but the kind of I see through your soul energy that makes enemies rethink their entire life. This dude isn't just powerful, he's the embodiment of dominance.
Step into the world where curses collide. Jujutsu Kaisen, where the warriors reside.
Alright, now for the colors. Obviously Gojo equals purple, but not just any purple. This had to be a supernatural, god-tier kind of purple. I tested different shades. Neon dark, a bit of blue in there, but finally landed on this insane, glowing purple that makes it look like he's radiating energy. His outfit? Gotta be that dark purple-black combo, giving him that sleek, mysterious sorcerer vibe. And to make everything pop, I threw in some crazy light effects like he's standing in the middle of a dimension-breaking energy field because, let's be real, Gojo isn't just strong, he's on a whole different plane of existence. And finally, to tie it all together, I added these raw energy waves in the background, not just for aesthetics, but to make one thing clear. Gojo never died. He was just waiting to flex on us again.
Chaos unfolds, hidden inventory with secrets untold. Toe case, curved speech, powerful and bold. With the strength of friends, never fighting alone. From the Kyoto school to the Tokyo ground, unity and strength where bonds are found. Sentence technique, combos bloodline bound. In the cursed world, it's a battleground. Cursed techniques.
And there it is, the Gojo that never lost. No tragic ending, no sad goodbyes, just pure, untouchable dominance. What do you guys think? Does this scream Oppie Gojo, or what? Let me know in the comments who I should draw next. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next epic piece on Dunkare art. See you in the next one.